stir it.
Okay.
We're gonna pop it in. We're gonna pop it into the microwave.
All right.
And when we take it out of the microwave,
The magic of television. Pop in, pop right
pop out. We're gonna take the nacho cheese pasta.
Okay, this
pass
is for
that
you.
down.
All right. This is really good. I think he told me that fantastic before the show. This is great. Now, is this the type of stuff that you practice with, you preach, and do different things all the time?
Absolutely.
You mentioned about some new potato chips. You have new products coming out all the time?
Last week we got in a protein potato chip.
A what?
A protein potato chip.
Protein potato chips.
Which would actually take the place of, if you were going to do it on the quick start plan, it would take the place of a bar.
I like that. I like that. Oh, look at that. Then put the little sauce on it.
Yes.
Can we bring it over here? Because I really want to share it with the people. Let's just bring it out here. Look at what a nice presentation this is. Oh, right. Okay. Can I take a stand? Absolutely. Are you okay with this? Good, good, good. All right. Remember, okay. The good thing about this, it's all inclusive, right?
Absolutely.
Everything is all inclusive with you guys. That's what it's all about, right?
With the new program that we have, the 4-week.
We have a 4-week all-inclusive diet plan, which would include all your food for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
It would include the meal plan with some literature on the importance of water, the importance of protein, keeping your metabolism level throughout the day, and also includes 5 visits to our scale room.